So the first thing you want to do is to pick up all the hair from in front of the ears and split it into 2 equal sections, and we're going to braid a fishtail braid with this hair, just a regular fishtail braid. So you want to break off a small piece of hair from the bottom section, cross it over and add it to the inside of the top section. And then you want to break off a small piece of hair from the top section and cross it over and add it to the inside of the bottom section. And you want to continue doing this until the braid reaches about the middle of the back of the head, maybe a little bit further. And if you want to, you can tug on the edges of the braid to create volume. So once the braid reaches about the middle of the back of the head, you can secure it with a small elastic. And then we're just going to braid the exact same braid on the other side. So when you have finished the 2 fishtail braids, you want to bring them together at the back of the head, remove the elastics, and then join the 2 braids together with a new elastic. With the rest of the loose hair, you want to divide it into 3 equal sections, and we're going to braid 3 fishtail braids with these 3 sections. So grab the section in the middle, divide it into 2 sections, and braid a regular fishtail braid all the way down. Once you're braided all the way down, you want to secure it with an elastic. Create 2 more fishtail braids with the other 2 sections as well, and once you have all the 3 fishtail braids completed, you want to join them together by just crossing them over each other like this, just like you're braiding a regular 3-strand braid, and you want to do this quite loosely. And then once you're done, you just want to secure them all together with a small elastic.